Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Hustle Academy. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how easy it is to make money right now, especially with TikTok Shop's new affiliate program. It is the best way to make money on TikTok. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to make thousands of dollars a year with TikTok. Get good motivation to increase your income quickly. Don't miss out. Hit that play button now and transform your earnings. Remember to subscribe for more tips. If you want to start making money on TikTok but need help figuring out where to start, use Calodata. Here you can find out which product is trending today, how much the most popular TikTokers earn, how they do it, and which videos are the most popular, and you will only have to repeat the same in your videos. Use my link in the description and get a 10% discount. We're exploring the beauty and personal care market today. It is the Good Ass Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It's priced at about $24. This product has seen around 11,700 sales, and the revenue is almost $279,000. Nearly 122 creators are promoting it. Let's take a look at one of the top sellers in this category. She sold about 2,850 items and generated nearly $67,820 in revenue in the last 30 days. That's $2,200 per day. Also, you can watch videos of competitors.
That's dry shampoo. I've had this bottle for probably about, I want to say 6 months, and there's a lot left. This will go a long freaking way. I've gotten my sister hooked on it. I got my best friend hooked on it. It is amazing. It comes in a powder form, so none of that nasty crap. Now, she does have one that's for dark hair as well. This one doesn't leave any streaks for me though, but I know people have like darker hair than me. So she has a darker one. She has a scented. She has a non-scented. It is amazing. I will tag her below. She has been great. It's a small business. She just bought, I'm pretty sure I just saw that she just bought like a warehouse or like a store, and she's about to start cranking them out like full time now. But I love it. Like my hair feels great. There's no crap in this, which I love. And the bottle will last forever. And I've shared this all last year. I think I've had it for like 6 months. So I've shared it for 6 months at least. And yeah, makes me feel like my hair is brand new. This is yesterday hair. I still have to straighten it and finish kind of blowing out a little bit more, but it's great.
This video is super simple and to the point, something anyone can create in just a few hours. If you're looking to make some extra money, TikTok is a great platform to explore. Connect TikTok Shop to your account. Use tools like Calidata to analyze competitors, and start making videos. You can even produce content in different languages using AI. The best tool for that is 11 Labs. Check the link in the description. It's super easy with the help of artificial intelligence. In one of my future videos, I'll show you how to make TikTok videos using AI. Thanks for watching. I hope this video opens up new earning opportunities for you. Let me know what you think about this method in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to Digital Hustle Academy for more money-making tips. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.